I will show you how to get the best AI assistant of your life. Imagine having an assistant that can handle everything: writing emails, scheduling meetings, managing your smart home, and even having meaningful conversations. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how I built the ultimate AI assistant, combining cutting-edge tools and technology. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you might want to build one too. Before diving into the build, I had to ask myself, what makes a dream AI assistant? For me, it needed to check a few key boxes. First, productivity. It should help me organize my tasks and save time. Second, connectivity. It should integrate with my devices and smart home. Third, conversation. It should feel natural, like talking to a human. And finally, customization. It should be flexible to match my needs. With these goals in mind, I started designing my AI assistant. To make my vision a reality, I combined some of the most powerful AI tools available. ChatGPT for natural language processing and conversation. Notion AI for organizing tasks and planning my day. Home Assistant for controlling my smart devices. Midjourney for creating custom visuals and designs when needed. And Python for coding the glue that holds it all together. I also added voice control using Google Assistant and integrated the entire system into a sleek interface running on a Raspberry Pi. This is where the magic happens. First, I set up the Raspberry Pi to act as the central hub. Then, I connected ChatGPT to handle natural conversations. For task management, I linked Notion AI, and for smart home controls, I integrated Home Assistant. But here's the fun part. I customized the assistant to respond to specific commands like plan my day, turn on the lights, or even play my favorite playlist. It took a bit of coding and tweaking, but the results were incredible. The moment of truth, does it actually work? I started by asking it to plan my day, and within seconds it organized my tasks and set reminders. Then, I tested its smart home capabilities by turning on lights and adjusting the thermostat. Everything worked seamlessly. But what really blew me away was its conversational ability. I could ask follow-up questions, get recommendations, and even brainstorm ideas. It felt less like a tool and more like a partner. Of course, there were challenges. Some tools didn't integrate as smoothly as I hoped, and there were times when the assistant misunderstood commands. But that's the beauty of building something. It's a learning process. Next, I plan to add more advanced features like facial recognition and even a virtual reality interface. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, the dream AI assistant built from scratch. This project taught me that with the right tools and a bit of creativity, you can turn futuristic ideas into reality. What would you want your dream AI assistant to do? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.